My name is Remo Sunday Latre. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I teach you things related to tech, e-coms, making money online, digital marketing, and many more. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon for you to see my next video. Thanks. Welcome to today's episode on how to create a page for your business on Facebook. So let's get started. For you to create a Facebook page for your business, you have to have a Facebook account. That is the number one thing. So when you have a Facebook account, you'll be able to create your page easily. One thing you have to do is, first thing is to log into your Facebook. If you already have a Facebook account, log into your Facebook and go to facebook.com. Then when it comes to this facebook.com, this is where you're going to learn, especially if you are using PC. But if you are using mobile phone, the interface will be different. But if you are using your PC, this is how it's going to show you. So if you are using mobile phone, just go to your menu icon. There's a menu icon on mobile phone and there's a menu icon on PC, which is the laptop. So go to your menu on your Facebook, then click on the menu. After you click on the menu, some option will pop up. So in the option that comes out, locate what they call page, and as you can see, this is a page option. So after then, the next thing you have to do is to click on page. It's going to direct you to where you are going to create your page. So this is a place you are going to be creating your page. So the first thing you have to do now is to come to where the right page name required. You have to type the name for your business, the name you want your business to be bearing. For the purpose of the training, let me name this. Let me name it Wolf Stores. Wolf Stores. So the category, let me choose something like shopping. So if you type on the category, there's a lot of categories. So but for the purpose of the training, let me just select something like shopping due to the name is Wolf Stores. So let me choose shopping. So some option here: shopping services, shopping mall, and shopping districts. So let me choose shopping services. Then the bio is optional, but we type something there. Sell quality products. Sell quality products. So after creating the page, I can always come back and do the remaining things. But right now, let me just put something there. Actually, it's optional, but I just want to put something there. Then after I'm done with the creating of the page, I can always edit everything all over again. So the next thing is to come and create on create page. So let me create on the create page, and it's going to create the page for me now. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it to be done. So it has created the page for me now. So it is asked for my website, my phone number, my email, my location and address. All of these things asking for it. But I won't be doing all this thing right now because I can always go back to my page and edit all the necessary details. So the website I will leave it for now. The number, the email, everything, the address. So the hours, I can leave the hours as well. But right now I'm going to select always open for now. It's an online business. So then after then I will click on next. I'll click on next. So it's going to take me to where I'm going to put my profile picture, cover photos, and click on next. But right now I don't want to add any photo. I don't want to have anything to it now because it's just for the purpose of the training. I'm going to scroll down, add action button, Add action button can be WhatsApp, can be learn more to website, can be contact us, and can be any other things. But right now I don't want to do anything for now. Let me just click on next. So the next thing is it is asking me if I want to connect the WhatsApp. But right now I don't want to connect the WhatsApp. So I can always click on skip as well. So then the next thing is it's asking me to invite friends. But I don't want to do that right now. So let me just click on next. Then now it says stay informed about your page. Page notification on your profile is on. Marketing and promotional emails about your page is on. So I will leave it on default. Then the next thing is click on done. Then with this you are done creating your page. So this is the step to go through when it comes to creating of your page. As you can see, my page my page is active and live now. So they say welcome to your new page. You are now switched out of your profile and into your page. I will stop blah blah blah. So for right now, I don't want to do anything on the page. I don't want to talk because I already know how to go around with it. So let me just click on not now. So this is my page. My page is active now. So that is how you create your page. Then in my next video, I'm going to do a short video on how you can edit, do the necessary things on your page. So by following my next upload, make sure that you subscribe and you turn on your notification bell icon on, so that when I drop the next episode of the training, you'll be able to implement the way I'll go about it. So this is how to create the page. So the page is, it won't take you 5 minutes to create the page. So you can always create the page by yourself easily. So that is it. So thanks to you rather. We meet in the next episode of the creating of the page. Thank you. Bye.